Hey guys, so it is time to collect the eggs. It has been pretty rainy the last couple of days, but hopefully we got 12 eggs. We are going to let the chickens out so they can go find stuff. Since rainy, there are probably like worms out and stuff, a lot more bugs I would think. We are going to hopefully get 12 eggs. See how many we got in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's do this side. And there's 2 in this side. So that is 7, 8. Now we will check in here. Don't look like there are any. So that is 8. Good job today, girls. Actually, guys, I was just coming in here to check all their stuff, and there's one right in the doorway. They normally don't lay outside of at least in there. But yeah, that actually makes 9. And this one isn't cracked, so that's pretty awesome.